Oh yeah, it ain't over, motherfuckers.
Yeah, I'm on it. I love you, chick. Happy Valentine's Day. From the Ratchet nigga they call stay from around the way. It's 818 every day when I stomp the streets. Yeah, I'm doing this with the
Bring it back
bring
though.
it back.
Yeah,
Yeah,
ratchet asshole.
I'm for that love shit today. This shit's coming from the top of the dome. But anyway, you say my shit ain't tight. Say it ain't right. You's a hater and I can feel you tonight. Yeah, happy Valentine's Day. I'ma sing my song, okay? Man, way back in the day, I used to have a baby, but today things got crazy. I don't know what happened to me. I think it was that 10 to 2, you see. Yeah, walking out my tennis shoes, you see. Every day I fucking sweep, and that ain't no thing. I like to hang at night. I'ma fucking laid out, right, screaming. Yeah, I think it's that fucking demon. Yeah, he's always scheming on me. Man, I'm in it again. Denial.
I'm up the river.
I'm just
a
a
broke ass,
fucking
ratchet ass
hopeless
nigga.
Yeah, I'm on the track having a ratchet attack. Yeah, this is that love shit coming on back. Bigger than big bag people. Get you a big blow out a cloud pool. Yeah, you know what we gotta do when we do. Yeah, this is the ratchet show, and you know I'm a fool. Come on, man, you can get in. Yeah, you can applaud for the man. Yeah, dropping jaws for a man. Yeah, come to the concert, can get in. Yeah, nigga, you heard what I said. I've been doing this shit since I was a little kid. Nigga, didn't need your studio. Didn't need 21 other nigga nudie hoe. Yeah, but she beautiful to me. She's beautiful without no makeup, you see. That juicy, I miss that coochie, that's my girl. I hope she doing good, cause that's my world. Man, had to let her go. Cause I didn't wanna put down that pookie though. Yeah, she had 3 strokes in a row. Today I think I had to let you know. Yeah, chick got so cold like snow. Yeah, that's a no ho, no go. Yeah, for me, everything's alright in the Silmore City. Get it now. I'ma put it down. Yeah, any bad bitch in town. Yeah, my number's 747-260-3086. Take it to heaven. Yeah, like that there. Skeet on my back, bitch, I do not care. Yeah, tie you up and fuck you right over there. On the table, on the wall, on the chair. Yeah, one leg up. We gon' fuck in your pussy or your asshole if you a slut. Yeah, do it like that. I'm a nut. Ratchet show. Happy Valentino.